Well, hey there again, everyone. This is Bob from Hot Rock Central, and in this video, I'm going to go into whether or not you can combine different chargers and have them work together like they're supposed to. And in this case here, with my two Victrons and this EPEVER over here, the answer is yes and no. Well, now, if you've been in the solar game for a while and you've collected a bunch of chargers, and then suddenly you find you need some more power, and you don't have the money to go out and get a matching charger for your existing chargers, then you might want to try something like this. Well, in this case here, when I hooked this up, everything seemed okay. I tried to match the settings on the EPEVER as close to the Victron as close as I could, and both of them charged good together. They work just fine when they're in the charging stage, but when it comes to shutting down at the float stage, there's a whole different story there. Now, the Victron shut down at the float stage, which I have set at 27.6 volts, but for some reason the EPEVER here just kept on charging. It wouldn't shut down at 27.6 that I had it set at. Finally, I caught it where it was at 28.2, and I had to kill it to keep it from overcharging my lithiums. So I went in and played with the settings some more, and I brought it all the way down to 22 volts that it was supposed to shut down at, and the thing just still kept on charging. So I don't know what's going on there with the EPEVER, but apparently the user settings in this thing either are ineffective, or this is a defective EPEVER. I don't know. So what I'm going to do is I found another brand, and you're going to get an exclusive on this because nobody else on the internet is going to or has a video up yet where they've done something like this with a charger with this brand that I'm getting, and that'll be coming up in a future video, so stay tuned for that. But anyways, for now, I thought this information might be useful for you if you were thinking about doing something like that. And that's all I've got for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.